This is a mulching kit adapter for a Cub Cadet zt1 with this 54-inch fabricated deck. There are no videos on YouTube specific to this mower, so I figured I'd make one. First of all, here's the kit you need. Flat top extreme. That is the adapter plate for the fabricated deck. The other kits are for the stamped deck. And just so you know, the part number under the seat listed for the mulching kit is already out of date. It's been revised to this number here. Take the deck off. I'm going to pull that pin. The pin under here in the front of the deck. Right there. That pin. Then roll the deck backwards to disconnect the pulley. And then the deck will slide right out the side of the machine. I'm going to put a 2x4 underneath the deck, lower the deck onto the 2x4. That should take all the tension off the cables that suspend it. I thought I'd just clean the deck and put the mulch kit on. That is how much crud was underneath there without even flipping it over and doing it right. So we're going to do it right. Okay, we took the 3 pins out. I did put that wrench in that hole. I don't know that that's going to make any difference. It's actually stored right on the machine. Somewhere. Oh yeah. It's stored right here from the factory. And I just rolled it back, took the belt off the rear pulley. And now that deck will slide right out sideways. Okay, if you think your deck is clean, that's one season. And I blew it out every time I cut the grass with the leaf blower. I never used the deck wash. Cleaned it several times with the pressure washer, and I'm going to do it a couple more times. But first I'm going to take these off with an impact Harbor Freight Special. I'm going to get a block of wood. Sometimes you got to put a block of wood next to that blade. Sometimes your foot. I'll put a block of wood in there. Take them off. Now the deck's clean. Kind of surprised how much it wore off the paint and rusted in one season. Now the next step is I'm going to put on some gloves, an expensive chip brush, and you could use used motor oil. I changed the oil on my side-by-side and there was just a little bit left. So I'm going to paint on a thin coat everywhere. Got some cardboard under here. It's going to drip down. Then we're going to put the blades on. Now here's the blades, the mulching blades. When you look at it, it says in here, it might not show up very well, grass side. So take it over to the deck. And you can tell that design, it only fits on here one way. It's the only way the blade goes. Just make sure you have grass side down. Put it in that little keyway. grass side, and it only goes one way. And we're going to reuse the old washers and nuts from the old blades. I'm going to go wipe these off so that they're not out of balance. Put them on. I don't think you need to see that on a video. Got them all on, torqued down to factory specs. The deck's nice and oiled. I kept working that oil around back and forth to really work it into any of the rust or any of the mud that's still stuck to it. Now it's time to flip it over and put it back on. Now the plastic deflector, that goes into the pre-drilled frame. That little rubber tip comes off here. I'm gonna have to put the camera down for this one. And that's it. Now I'm gonna leave it on the grass. Let some of that oil drain out for a while. The kit was about $120. I got it at a local Cub Cadet dealer. I could not find that part online for whatever reason. Unless it was a distributor. Amazon didn't seem to have it. eBay didn't have it. And the dealer was only a few miles away. That's the mulch kit.